country. There's 9 controllers in the tower at the moment, plus a number of assistants and emergency controllers. They're from National Air Traffic Service units from around.
Let me say, this is the second narrator of este tipo Captain Ricardo Chiapolino. We are ready for the formation to stop of the tricolor. Landing for 10, every 59 right, for white, red, ladies and gentlemen, the Italian flag!
Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you United States Air Force. Ladies and gentlemen, this concludes Martin Stable. Now then, the for takeoff then, another of the contributions from the world's aerospace manufacturers to the Royal International Air Tattoo 2016, the Airbus A400M, the Atlas. Yes, of course the aircraft lightly laid for display touches around, which are limited to about 10 to 15 degrees angular bank. It shows you how manoeuvrable this aircraft actually is. Now we just mentioned its refuelling capability, for which it's able to fly slowly enough to refuel helicopters. We go up to the other end of the speed range now, in for a high-speed pass. Demonstrated that the A400M pitches up. It'll be topping off at about 3 3,500 feet, cloud cover permitting, and rolling through to 120 odd degrees. And here it is, on the roll from Spanish Air Force Eurofighter, ES-2000.
Cost of the DVD plus your normal network charge. Main TV will then get back to you. Please the order. Next DVD 780.
Just for one flight, we can get it off.
High precision, discipline, motivation, reliability, and a well-maintained public image has given the team their identity. Today, the Congress Day showcases the commitment and strength of Switzerland, of forces,
Gradually you can see the transition taking place as the rotors tilt upwards. And this allows the Osprey to make, if it so desires, a short conventional landing, or of course to come completely to the hover. The aircraft first flew in March 1989. The US Marine Corps, with the MV-22B model, was the first to bring it into service in March 2000 for training, and then the declaration for operational service took place in 2005. The US Air Force did likewise with its Special Operations CD-22Bs in 2006 and 2007, respectively. And it's got an impressive operational record with both of those services.
the two aircraft you will soon be able to take it off. Present you the deviation path 900 kilometers on your right.
Home finals now to land with the compliments of Boeing. A superb demonstration coming to an end of the FA-18F Super Horse.
Left, fasten your seatbelts.
Cloud of smoke. Here it is rolling from the 1st Tactical Squadron, the Polish Air Force, the Mikoyan MiG-29A, the Fulcrum.
Like F-15 to the right, left, But aerodynamically, fantastic aircraft in every part capable of being the world.
Some of the aircraft at least until about 2030 due to an upgrade deal. Here now is that slow speed high angle attack pass. From the slope trail, occasional bursts.
They reach 6,000 feet and form our trademark Diamond 9 shape. The jet slowing down about 150 miles an hour at the apex of that loop. At the front of the formation, you hear his voice, is Red 1, Squadron Leader David Montenegro. It's his second year as the team leader. He is a former Hawk instructor and Tornado F3 air defense pilot. He first joined the Red Arrows in 2009, leaving in 2011 as the batting out at the top. Keep your eyes on the current smoke jets of Jimbo. Let's have a huge patriotic round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Jets in a big, big battle.
Lockheed Martin School's Engineering Challenge. That's going to be going on until 4:30. I suspect, however, you will not wish to miss the Red Arrows and the F-35 with the Typhoons, but at 4 o'clock will be the hockey tops down in the Vintage Village, and also the mad bikes are going to go mad again at 4 o'clock in the Adrenaline Zone. But that final presentation on...